Ethiopia is once again preparing to make environmental history. On August 3, the country aims to plant 800 million tree seedlings in a single day, bringing together millions of citizens in what is expected to be one of the largest coordinated tree planting campaigns ever undertaken. The effort forms part of Ethiopia's flagship Green Legacy Initiative, a nationwide movement focused on restoring ecosystems and building resilience against climate change. Launched in 2019, the Green Legacy Initiative was designed to reverse decades of deforestation and land degradation. What began as a national environmental campaign has evolved into a movement involving communities, schools, government institutions, the private sector, and development partners across the country. Over the past several years, Ethiopia has planted more than 48 billion tree seedlings, restoring degraded landscapes, protecting watersheds, reducing soil erosion, and increasing forest cover. The initiative also promotes the planting of fruit trees and indigenous species, helping improve biodiversity, strengthen food security, and create economic opportunities for rural communities. Environmental experts say the benefits extend beyond tree planting. Healthier forests absorb carbon dioxide, improve water conservation, enhance agricultural productivity, and provide habitats for wildlife, making the initiative an important contribution to both climate adaptation and sustainable development. Ethiopia's achievements have also attracted international attention. The Green Legacy Initiative has been recognized by global and regional organizations as an example of large-scale environmental restoration driven by public participation. The country's experience has been highlighted in international climate discussions, while its tree planting model has inspired similar initiatives across Africa and beyond. This year's campaign carries even greater significance as Ethiopia works towards its annual target of planting 8 billion seedlings. The goal of planting 800 million seedlings in a day reflects the country's continued commitment to environmental conservation and collective climate action. As millions prepare to take part on August 3, the Green Legacy Initiative stands as a reminder that restoring nature requires not only government leadership, but also the active participation of citizens. Through sustained national effort, Ethiopia continues to position itself as a leading voice in global reforestation and climate resilience.